Hi everyone, this is KT here. Today's video is about the trades placed for the week of 14 July 2025 to 18 July 2025. Without further ado, let's take a look at how the portfolio is doing. So for the past 7 days, it's plus 2.7%. Since inception, it's about 260.44%. S&P 500, it's about 47.87%. So still about 5 times here. Let's look at the trades that were being placed. Okay. On Monday itself, sold IBIT puts expiring July 18, 2025 at the strike price of $69. Got a credit of $1.24, which is more than 1% for the premium. Next, decided to go into silver, so I sold Jessica puts for silver, expiring July 21st, 2025 at $35. Got a premium of 0.43. It's still 1% more than 35. 0.43, it's 1% more than $35 strike price here. Next, for AAPL, uh, what I did is I closed my spread for AAPL. So I sold the uh, AAPL expiring July 25, 2025 at $185, which is the strike price. Got a credit of about 0.13. Next, I bought back the puts sold for AAPL expiring July 25, 2025 at strike price of $190 with a debit of 0.22. And then I roll it earlier back to July 18, 2025 at a higher strike price of $200 to gain a credit of 0.27 cents. This is done because I wanted to get out of AAPL by 1st of August 2025, where Trump would announce the decision on the tariffs. So any dates before August 1st, I would want to roll all my puts back to July 18 or July 27 to get it expire earlier. So for JPN, I bought back the calls for JPN, which is at a strike price of 295, expiring July 25, 2025. Roll it to JPM August 1st, 2025. At the same strike price, got a credit of about 70 cents here. Next, for SCZ, did the same. Roll it 2 weeks later from July 25 to August 08. Got a credit of 75 cents. All this rolling is because the extrinsic value has already depreciated more than 50%. That's why I roll it. Next, wanted to get uh, uh, STZ to uh, go from a higher strike price 172.5 to a lower strike price 170. So from July 25th, roll it to August 15. So in this, the overall uh, credit gain is actually about 73 cents for doing so. Next, SoFi decided to sell SoFi calls to have a strangle here so that I'm in between 16 to 26, which I am speculating that SoFi is within this price range. So SoFi costs $26, expiring August 15, 2025, at a credit of 0.47. Next, decided to close my SPY July 17, 2025 at 615 strike price puts, got a credit of 0.70 cents. Sorry, not closing. I bought the puts because I was hedging that there is the particular event of the inflation that's happening. So I bought SPY puts to hedge. So later you can see that I have closed it. So um, later I'll explain more. Then HIMS bought back HIMS puts at $30, July 18, 2025 at a debit of 0.02. The SPY puts was debit of 70 cents. Okay, so basically just closing HIMS $30 put here. And then sold IBIT July 18, 2025, $67. Got a credit of 0.83 cents here. Then for IBIT bought back the puts sold at $69, bought it back so that I can roll it downwards to $68 here. Because IBIT has been decreasing, so I wanted to roll it downwards so that I don't get it expire in the money. I want to get it expire out of the money here. So overall here, it will be a overall net credit when I did this. So you can see there's a difference in the quantity here. So let's say $69 puts, I bought back at 10, I sold more than 10 units at $68. So for SPY, the puts, I sold at 0.2, got a credit back of 0.2 after the inflation data was out. Next, for JPM calls, bought back 4 contracts at a debit of 3.7. Next, AMD roll from 143 to 150 from July 25 to July 18. Overall got a net credit of $1,060 here. Intention is to get it expire out of the money earlier. And so far, sold more calls expiring September 19 with a credit of 0.67. Next, for VIX, close my VIX position, which is so-called at 60 and so-called at 70 with a debit of 0.29 and 0.37. Because I'm anticipating that in August it will be a bearish month, so VIX will definitely uh, be higher than now. Okay, so JPM calls August 15 sold it at a credit of 4.82. So there is a JPM call rolling from August 1st to August 15th. Got about $1.12 credit here. Next for IBIT, bought back IBIT at $67 and $68 to roll it downwards to $66. So in this case, roll it downwards to $66 will gain more uh, credit here by selling more quantities. Next also sold IBIT puts at $66 at August 1st at a credit of 2.16. So in overall, the position from rolling down from $68 and $67 to $66 at different expiration date is just to gain an overall net credit, and also because IBIT was fluctuating, it's tending downwards. So I wanted to get a lower strike price so that it will expire out of the money. So HIMS calls at $61 by mistake here. So I bought it back. I wanted to sell HIMS call at $60. So there is a net zero here, but we incur loss on the transaction fee here. So credit of 1.07 for selling HIMS call expiring August 1st, 2025. Yeah. So it's there's a speculation that August 1st, the tariffs announcement is negative news, so that's why teams will not be more than $60. Next, continue to sell IBIT puts because seeing that IBIT is trending upwards throughout this week. So it's going to expire out of the money. So I sold more IBIT puts for July 25 at a credit of 0.91 cents. Next, same for JPM. Try to roll it earlier to expire from July 25 to July 18 at a higher strike price of 285 with larger quantity here. So overall, one, two, three, seven contracts purchased back, but sold 10 contracts here. So got about 3 times 1.35 net credit. Next, sold more CSP cash secure puts for gold on 290 and also gold 285 in October. Once in September and once October. Got a credit of 1.75 and credit of 1.86 here. Just to hedge, I am quite bullish about gold here. And I'm bullish about the cryptocurrency Ethereum. So that's why I sold puts for ETHA July 25, $25 strike price. July 18, $26 strike price. Got a credit of 69 cents and 47 cents. Decided to roll Microsoft up from 497.5 to $500 here. So that just to have an even number. Got a credit of about 0.25 cents here. Next, bought back my GDXJ calls and roll it to August 1st. At the same strike price, got a credit of about 47 cents. Next, sold more ETH puts at $27 because I'm quite bullish about ETHA and it's a credit of 0.85 cents here. Next, SoFi earnings release is about the last week of July, so decided to hedge in case that it will gap up. So bought calls at $23, expiring August 1st, and sold calls at $26, expiring August 1st. So I am anticipating SoFi will gap up, but it will not go more than $26 here. And also bought SoFi calls at $29. Uh, so in case it really gap up. Um, bought back GEO uh puts here because saw that GEO towards the last half an hour it's going downwards uh below $25. So purchase back at a debit of 0.20 cents here. As expected. AMD $150 puts on July 18, expire of the money. Same for HIMS at $46 strike price, ETHA $26 strike price, JPM 285 strike price, AAPL 200 strike price, IBIT 66 strike price. So all this expiration actually give me a boost in accessibility. So that means I have more bullets next week to sell more cash seek outputs. But I will be cautious because of August 1st coming. But most probably I'll be going into commodities, selling cash seek outputs for GLD or silver. Yep, I think that's all for today. So remember to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this YouTube channel, and also turn on your notification bell. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.